Cinnamon and raisins offer a delightful combination of flavors, but they also come with several health benefits that make them a worthwhile addition to your diet. Firstly, cinnamon is known for its potent antioxidant properties, which can help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Secondly, it has been linked to improved blood sugar control, making it beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those looking to regulate their blood sugar levels. Thirdly, cinnamon may support heart health by reducing risk factors like high cholesterol and blood pressure. Additionally, raisins, being a good source of dietary fiber, can aid in digestion and promote a feeling of fullness, potentially assisting in weight management. Lastly, the iron content in raisins contributes to better red blood cell production and can help combat iron deficiency anemia. Ingredients: cinnamon, raisins,